News!
Welcome to today's Grax News. I'm Grax Bishop and reporting the news in the world today takes everything you got. Constant stories of bad things happening really don't help a lot. I sure would like to get away. Sometimes you wanna go where everybody knows your name, Grax. And they're always glad you came. All right there, Grax. I'm sorry. What? Apparently, I'm getting word that this is already a song. Well, that's crazy. I was just playing around with a piano and it just came to me. My lawyers will be looking into this. These are today's headlines. MySpace in surprise comeback. Friends reunited as primed. Bebo remains missing. Presumably dead. All home tutoring graded as unsatisfactory by Ofsted. 3 is indeed the magic number, suggests trio of magicians. And now the news. It's Wednesday the 22nd of April 2020. I'm Grax Bishop and I've been asked to appear on Newsnight, don't you know? You're welcome. I've hit the big time, baby! Yeah! Scotland news. Scotland remains defiant that rebuilding of Hadrian's Wall will stop the spread of coronavirus. A lead spokesperson for the northern state explained that they've kept the English at bay before and they're not afraid to do it again. I, for one, welcome our new Scottish superpower and wish them all the best from GraxNews. Please accept my humble offering of shortbread, a deep-fried Twix, and this picture of me in a kilt.
Hello there, Socky Bishop the Mystery Detective is here. This week, I solve another household mystery. What is the correct way to dry your glassware after washing? No, you have to rinse off the suds. Do you want to eat soap with your dinner? What are you doing?
Due to the lockdown and people having plenty of time, there has been a rise in the number of arts and crafts around the house. I am more than happy to jump on this bandwagon. So, next week I will be building a space rocket with 3 tubes of toothpaste, some duct tape and a hand grenade. That's all the news, boys and girls, and you're welcome.
News!